If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you manually add checkboxes and option buttons, called radio buttons, into forms. This is helpful when Acrobat fails to recognize a checkbox or a radio button during a form conversion, or to add additional radio buttons or checkboxes to an existing form. To add a radio button to a form in Acrobat, open a PDF form in Acrobat, click the Edit command in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to show the Prepare a Form panel. Then click the Radio Button link in the Prepare a Form panel in Acrobat. Hover your mouse pointer over the location at which to add the radio button in the PDF to show a preview of the field. Then click once to add a radio button to the form. The Radio Button tool remains enabled after adding a radio button, so you can continue to click at different locations in the PDF page to add as many as needed. You must add at least 2 radio buttons to a form to provide users 2 options from which to choose, but you can also add more. To turn off the Radio Button tool, click the Select tool in the Quick Tools panel to switch to that tool, which is the default tool. Radio buttons in Acrobat Forms let users choose one option from a set of options. By default, each radio button is added to the Group 1 radio button group as a different choice. To show the properties of a radio button in an Acrobat form, double-click it with the Select tool to open the Radio Button Properties dialog box. Each radio button in the same radio button group must contain the same name value, which appears on the General tab in this dialog box. To make selecting a radio button from the radio button group required to submit the form in Acrobat, you can also check the Required checkbox on this tab. To set the value for the radio button within the radio button group in Acrobat, click the Options tab and then type the radio button's value into the Radio Button Choice field. To close the dialog box, click Close. Alternatively, if you only have one option to present to form users, you must use a checkbox instead of option buttons. Adding a checkbox to a form in Acrobat is like adding an option button, except checkboxes are not included as options within a group by default. The form's user may check a checkbox or not. To add a checkbox to a form in Acrobat, click the checkbox button in the Prepare a Form panel. Hover your mouse pointer over the location at which to add the checkbox to the PDF to show a preview of the field. Then click once to add it to the form. The checkbox tool remains enabled after adding a checkbox, so you can continue to click at different locations in the PDF page to add as many as needed. To turn off the checkbox tool, click the Select tool in the Quick Tools panel to switch to that tool, which is the default tool. To show the properties of a checkbox in an Acrobat form, double-click it with the Select tool to open the Checkbox Properties dialog box. To set the name of the checkbox, enter its name into the Name field on the General tab. To set its value, click the Options tab and then set its export value. To close the dialog box, click Close. We'll examine setting all form field properties in more detail in the following lessons of this chapter. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.